After we discuss about validity, now next thing to discuss is accuracy. So within data quality, the next attribute is accuracy. So accuracy tells us whether the measured attribute is close to the given values or actual values. So just remember, valid data does not imply accuracy. Previously we talked about validity. So even if the data is validated, or even if our data is valid, it just accepts or it meets all of these constraints. Even if it meets all of these constraints, it does not imply our data is accurate. So accurate or having accuracy is completely different topic. So accuracy means whether our data that has been measured, that has been predicted by our model is accurate or not. So for example, this is my accurate data. So our data should be something like this. This is the true values. And now this is our measured data. So let us say that I have a thermometer. Let us take the example of this, a typical example, thermometer. And this thermometer is used to measure the temperature. Now let us say the actual temperature of surrounding was, let's say, 40 degree centigrade. So this was the actual temperature. This was true temperature. Now our thermometer measured it as 50 degree centigrade. Now you can clearly see this data that has been measured by the thermometer is not accurate, because actually it was 40. It made an error of 10 degrees centigrade, because you can see 50 minus 40. So 50 is what it predicted, 40 was actual data. Now it made an error of 10 degree centigrade. This is an error. Similarly, our temperature was, let's say, 30 degrees centigrade and thermometer measured 30 degrees centigrade, the same temperature. Now you can see this data that has been collected by the thermometer is accurate now, because the true value and the measured value is same. So that is what accuracy means. So that is the reason we say that even having the validated data or valid data, that does not imply our data is accurate. Accuracy means the true value should be equal to measured value or predicted value by model or by some instruments. In our example, we saw the instruments as thermometer, but it can be any other instruments, or it can be obviously our machine learning algorithm also. So that is what accuracy means.